Hello, how's it going? Did you watch the World Cup final? Yeah? Oh, lucky you. Me? Well, I was all set. Snacks, drinks, couch, then disaster struck. A construction crew working near my neighborhood accidentally dig up the internet cable that serves our area. Just like that, no internet. Seriously, of all the days they could have done it, they picked the World Cup final. Anyways, congratulations to Spain for winning the World Cup. Since everyone's still in the football mood or soccer mood, I thought this would be the perfect time to talk about two Chinese characters that every football fan should know. 足 and 球. Together they make 足球, literally football. 足球. Let's start with 足. The Chinese character 足 means foot. It actually looks like a lower leg ending in a foot, making it a pictograph. Pretty straightforward, right? Look at this, and this, and this. 足 is truly an on-topic character today. You can see this meaning in a lot of words. 足球, 足球, football, football. 足迹, foot trace, footprints or traces. 手足 literally means hands and feet, but it actually means brothers and sisters or siblings. The idea is that your siblings are as close to you as your own hands and feet. Lovely. Another cool thing is that 足 can also be used as a radical. In Chinese, it's called 足字旁, the foot radical. Characters with this radical are usually related to feet or leg movements. For example, 跑, 跑, to run. 跳, 跳, to jump. 踢, 踢, to kick. These are all phono-semantic compound characters. The left side, 足, hints at the meaning, means something related to feet or leg movements, while the right side hints at the pronunciation. But Chinese characters love to grow new meanings over time. Since our feet support us and allow us to move, 足 gradually developed extended meanings related to being complete or fulfilled. It later came to mean enough or sufficient. For example, 满足, 满足, 充足, 充足, sufficient. 不足, 不足, not enough. Now let's look at 球. It's a phono-semantic compound character made up of 玉, meaning jade, which hints at the meaning, and 球, 球, which hints at the pronunciation.
Oh, wait a minute. I thought this character means king.
Great question. Yes, it looks like Wang, but it actually jade radical. Thousands of years ago, Yu and Wang looked almost identical. To make them easier to tell apart, ancient people added a small dot to the lower right corner of Yu. However, when Yu was used as the left-hand component of another character, that dot was dropped for convenience. Over time, it evolved into the form that looks exactly like Wang today. So whenever you see this so-called Wang radical, think jade, not king. That's why characters like 珍珠, 珍珠, pearl, 琥珀, 琥珀, amber, 玛瑙, 玛瑙, agate are all associated with jade, gemstones, or other precious materials. And of course, there is 球. 球. In ancient Chinese, it refers to a fine piece of jade or a precious jade ornament. 球 originally had nothing to do with balls. Surprise!
So how did it become the word football?
The answer is another character, 球. This 球 originally referred to a leather ball stuffed with animal hair, like the balls used in 蹴鞠. 蹴鞠 is an ancient Chinese sport that's often considered an early ancestor of football. Since 球 and this 球 are pronounced exactly the same, people gradually started writing 球 instead of this 球. Eventually, 球 completely replaced 球. The original meaning of jade has disappeared from everyday Chinese and only survives in classical literature. Today, 球 refers to almost anything that is round. For example, 足球, 足球, football. 篮球, 篮球, basketball, basketball. 乒乓球, 乒乓球. Ping pong imitate the sound. 棒球, 棒球. Stake ball means baseball. 地球, 地球, earth ball, the earth. Alright, we've learned a lot of new words today. Now let's see how many of them you can recognize in a short Chinese story. 今天我们足球队参加了一场足球比赛。我们跑得很快，跳得很高，也进了很多球。我和我的队员们情同手足，配合默契。最终，我们以3-1胜出。比完赛我就回家了，因为明天我还要去打篮球。今晚我需要有充足的时间休息。啊，这样的生活让我感到非常满足。Do you like playing football? And who is your favorite player? Please tell me in the comments and try writing your answer in Chinese. 我喜欢踢足球。我喜欢。Alright, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!